All right, recording the sewer line at 4913 3rd Avenue Northwest. Date's October 5th, 2020. Recording this from the roof vent up on top. What we're looking at right there is the Seattle City main running up and down 50th. Coming back from this main here at 50th. So we've zeroed out the footage. City's redone a little section of their tap right there, it looks like. So this is 6-inch diameter sewer main that we're coming back from right now. Right there, it's transitioning from concrete to clay. You see a little bit of pooling water there. Right there, you see we've also got that transition from concrete to clay. Hi, Lynn. Good. Just getting a look at the line. I'm making a recording now. All right, still coming back through that 6-inch diameter concrete line there. Oops. That may be our 4x6 transition. We'll revisit that spot. Yeah, it looks like it. Oh, we're gonna go locate that spot real quick here. We go locate this. Continuing the recording there. We got 26 feet of 6-inch pipe coming back into 4-inch now. I'm gonna zero out our footage. Zeroed it out, and we're coming back still now. Go locate this tie-in. You want to switch me spots? I don't know, Joe. Not like that's my job or anything. Not really my style, but coming back. Come on, Nick, really? Tipped over the fucking pallet? I thought you were supposed to do it. Okay, let's keep coming back. Okay. Okay, keep coming back. So we've got 13 feet of 4-inch before we get back to the plastic pipe. The rest of this line has been replaced. Black plastic, green plastic. coming into the cast. And boom. Whoa, 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 whoa. Go slow. That glass.